Today we're studying something called the mighty dominant 13th chord. The dominant 13th chord is such a fantastic chord. 13 being the highest number that you can go to in music theory. You can add sevenths to chords, you can add 11ths, you can add ninths, you can add 13ths, but you can't have something like a B52 chord. You can have a B13 chord, but 13 is as high as it goes. I've put a song together specifically for this lesson, and as you watch through it, I'm going to show you lots of different voicings. You'll see me playing all kinds of real thick, funky voicings, and I'm going to show you all those, and I'm going to show you techniques such as the suspended trip around the circle of fifths. So let me roll that, and just know that I'm not playing piano this time. I'm playing clav. Kind of a neat sound, especially down here, huh? The clav is super, super funky. So here's that tune, and then let's dig into the lesson. Now let's take a look at what specifically is a 13th chord. Now that question lurks in the back of many musicians' minds. I mean, after all, if you take a C major scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you actually have used up all the letters on the keyboard. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and you're back to C. Anything above that is just a repeat. Like if I played an E up here, well, I already used it down here. Or if I play a G down here, I already played a G right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you've used up all the letters. Where on earth does the 13th come from?
Since this is just a quick video overview of this full lesson, let's jump ahead now to the section where we're exploring the difference between 6 and 13 chords.
5, 6. Again, if I play a C chord and add the 6, doesn't matter where I add it, it's still just the C6 chord. Now, if the 7th shows up, you're playing a 7th, you've got to call this 6th note by its higher extension. Well, it's way up there. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. If the 7th shows up, this is now a 13th, right? Or you could play it down here. You could play way up here. It doesn't matter. So the seventh changes any 2 that it happens to be present magically into a 9. Okay? So you have to call it by its higher extension. It changes any 6 present by its higher extension into a 13th.